Today we'll see the pros and cons. So, how can we evaluate non-renewable energy resources? So, well, the pros is that the non-renewables, they are nowadays they are very used. They are easy to transport, but they have negative uh, effects on the earth. And so first we'll see the pros and cons of nuclear fuel. So when there's nuclear fission, you have a lot of energy and there's no pollution, no fuel is burned. Um, and when you mine uranium, it doesn't result in like a massive strip of mine or loss of habitats. So you have uh, the uranium, and you actually kind of like can see nothing here. You put it a laser beam, I think that's how it is, and you break the thing in two, and that is like very high energy. There's a lot of energy, or you would get like two atoms and fuse them together. Okay, but nuclear sorry, it's very dangerous. We remember of Chernobyl, so you can have radioactive wastes, and it lasts for like thousands of years, and there's a lot of radiation, so it can uh, endanger the environment accidentally. Right? And we have hot water going out of the cooling tower. So we have our cooling tower over here, and there's a lot of water coming into going out actually. And so it will come back to the sea, and we're putting more and more water, so that can disrupt the aquatic system. That's a bad thing. And the fossil fuels, well, they are inexpensive to obtain and use, but when you burn the coal, for example, it releases sulfur dioxide that forms acid rain, and it damages structures like statues or habitats like forests and all of that, and it pollutes water. Um, Oil, for example, uh, on 2010, a well of oil was blown, and 200 million gallons of oil came into the Gulf of Mexico, and it kept doing that for 86 days. And so it was very bad, and they had to work on that for years. And so when you burn any fossil fuel, it causes smoke with fog, aka smog, and we have greenhouse gases. Also, uh, it causes respiratory problems and helps the acid rain. Also, it burns carbon dioxide, and we don't have as much trees as we had back then, so they can take uh, account. They cannot hold on all of that, so that's bad. So next we'll talk about the renewable energy resources.